All right, welcome to the USU video series on the R22 helicopter. Today we'll be talking about quick stops. Purpose of a quick stop is a rapid deceleration. Usually this is done after when we intend to stop out at a chosen location. Today we'll start us off with a normal takeoff profile, pushing forward through transverse flow effect to ETL, pushing for 40 feet and 40 knots. We pop up, quick stop in 3, 2, and 1, or a collective aft-cyclic gentle right pedal. Stop it out, the movement, and we can bump with the collective to induce a couple, and that rights the helicopter, and then steep approach down to our hover area. All right, quick stop, cruising along about 40 feet and 40 knots. Quick stop in 3, 2, and 1. Pop up, lower collective, 40 feet, 40 knots, quick stop in 3, 2, 1.